Let's dive into the foundations of web development, beginning with HTML and CSS. Here, you'll learn the basics of HTML5 and CSS3, essential tools for creating websites. You'll get to build simple web pages and style them using CSS to make them visually appealing. For those looking to expand their knowledge, resources like MDN Web Docs, FreeCodeCamp, and HTML and CSS courses on Codecademy are fantastic places to start. Moving on to responsive design, it's crucial to understand the principles that make websites look great on any device. You'll learn to use media queries to craft designs that adapt to different screen sizes seamlessly. To deepen your understanding, consider exploring Responsive Web Design by Ethan Marcotte and the Responsive Web Design certification available at FreeCodeCamp. Now, let's tackle JavaScript fundamentals. You'll explore variables, data types, operators, loops, functions, and events. We'll also touch on basic DOM manipulation, allowing you to interact with the web page elements dynamically. For further study, resources like Eloquent JavaScript, javascript.info, and FreeCodeCamp's JavaScript algorithms and data structures are highly recommended. Finally, let's put your skills to the test with some basic projects. Create simple, interactive web pages, such as a to-do list or a calculator. These projects will help you consolidate your learning and show you the practical side of web development. In this segment, we delve into advanced JavaScript, exploring ES6+ features like let and const for variable declarations, arrow functions which simplify function syntax, template literals that allow for easier string interpolation, and destructuring which can unpack values from arrays or properties from objects. We'll also tackle asynchronous JavaScript, including callbacks, promises, and the async await syntax for cleaner asynchronous code. For those looking to deepen their understanding, I'd recommend You Don't Know JS by Kyle Simpson and the ever-reliable MDN Web Docs. Moving on to version control with Git. Understanding Git is crucial for managing changes in your projects. We'll cover the basics, cloning repositories to get a local copy, branching off the main project to work on specific features, merging those changes back into the main project, and making pull requests. For hosting these repositories, GitHub is an exceptional platform. To get started or advance your skills, check out the Pro Gitbook and the GitHub Learning Lab. Now, let's focus on front-end frameworks and libraries, specifically React.js. We'll go over the fundamentals of React, including components, state, props, and hooks. These concepts are pivotal for building dynamic user interfaces. Why not put this knowledge into practice by building a simple project like a weather app or a movie database? For guidance, the React documentation, React for Beginners by Wes Bos, and the FreeCodeCamp's Front-End Development Libraries certification are excellent resources. CSS frameworks can significantly streamline your web development process. Learning a CSS framework like Bootstrap or Tailwind CSS can really help. You might want to check out resources like the Bootstrap documentation or the Tailwind CSS documentation for more detailed guidance. Moving on to back-end development, it's essential to understand Node.js and Express.js. Learn the basics of Node.js and Express.js and how to create simple RESTful APIs. For more in-depth learning, you can refer to the Node.js documentation, Express.js documentation, and perhaps even the Web Developer Bootcamp by Colt Steele. Now, let's talk about databases. It's crucial to learn the basics of relational databases like PostgreSQL and NoSQL databases like MongoDB. For learning resources, you can explore MongoDB University or various SQL tutorials on Codecademy. In the realm of full-stack projects, you'll have the opportunity to build comprehensive applications that combine both front-end and back-end skills. For instance, you could create a blog platform, an e-commerce site, or even a social media app. And when it comes to deployment, learning to use services like Netlify, Vercel, or Heroku will be essential. For your final project, you'll build and deploy a comprehensive application that showcases all the skills you've learned throughout this course. Additionally, creating a portfolio website to display your projects and resume will be a great way to highlight your capabilities to potential employers or clients. The journey of learning doesn't stop with this course. Regularly solving coding challenges on platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, and CodeWars will help you sharpen your skills. Moreover, joining web development communities, attending meetups, and participating in online forums can significantly enhance your network and knowledge. And don't forget to stay updated by following web development blogs, podcasts, and YouTube channels to keep up with industry trends and new technologies. To further your learning, consider exploring online courses and tutorials from platforms like Udemy, Coursera, FreeCodeCamp, and Codecademy. Additionally, enrich your understanding with books such as JavaScript, The Good Parts by Douglas Crockford, the You Don't Know JS series by Kyle Simpson, and Eloquent JavaScript by Marin Haverbeck.